Hello everyone, welcome back to our latest tutorial. Today I'll be demonstrating how you can use Telegram on your device without the need for a phone number. If you're interested in signing up or logging into Telegram without using your phone number, I've got you covered. Let's jump right into it. To begin, open the Telegram app on your device. Once opened, tap on Start Messaging if you encounter a screen prompting you to enter your phone number. Simply navigate back to the previous screen. Next, open any internet browser on your device. In the browser search bar, enter the keywords free numbers for verification and hit search. Scroll through the search results until you find a website offering free SMS verification services. Click on the website link to access it. After the website loads, scroll through the list of available numbers. These numbers can be used temporarily for creating your Telegram account. Select a number from the list and copy it. Then, return to the Telegram app and paste the copied number into the designated field. Once pasted, wait for a few moments to receive the verification code associated with the selected number. Once you receive the verification code, enter it into the Telegram app to complete the account creation process successfully. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can utilize Telegram without the need for a phone number. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing, leaving a comment, and sharing the video. Thank you for watching.